Good morning. I've been sick for a few days. Um, like stomach problems, and then I hurt my shoulder. I've been doing really barely the necessary stuff and trying to survive, so I have strength to go and work. I just came back from work. I am feeling much better. But I need to do some cleaning here that I haven't done in days. This will help me to also feel more motivated. So let's do that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I'm going to do my laundry, but I have people working. So I have to do it. Kind of like closing my curtains, I think. Yeah, I will close these so I can work. Let me do it. Good morning. Another cloudy day. Came to do my laundry. I wanted to show you how it's going with the patio. So they finished all this. No, this is not how it will look. We will buy like a pergola and build here. So it's a lot of things that we need to change. We're still working on that. Let me get... I have my planner with me because I need to check if I need to buy something. Laundry, my pen, my phone. Let's take care of this first and then I will do a little tour of how it's going in my garden. Today I bought all these. They are with water, so because it's been raining, I have not planted them. It's still cold, but I wanted to have here because they are going so quick at the store. So I got 3 more of the this is the strawberry sequoia. I don't remember the name, but it's a big one. And I got a package of 4 of the blue bubbleberry. I got 1 early girl tomato, 1 of the 100 sweetie. Let me see this. No, this is super sweet 100. And here is the other one. This is a little sad red beef steak. That is exactly the same that I got the last time. And I got 1 lemon thyme. I love lemon thyme. And for now that is enough. And I need to clean my little table that is getting a lot of the mold. So this one didn't have any treatment. I will have to clean, get some mold cleaner, and then stain. Let's see the other plants. Need to water these ones. Okay, look at this. The freesia is coming. Then this is just sweet, I think. Yeah, nothing in the Achillegia. These tulips didn't show up yet. This is freesia too. I hope I am not sure that this is one of these. I have my doubts because it looks so much like something different, but we will wait. Or maybe it is. Look here, I don't know. We will wait. And then the rain lily didn't show up yet. Here, Asia, I see the little plants coming. Another one here. This is going good. And these are tulips that are not showing. I will have to water in a few minutes. Trying to keep a little close and not so bad here. Maybe I will put this a little down. This will be so cute. I will have to move that one to separate pot. Let's see here. I have not done any cleaning, but I will use for my lettuce when I have nothing yet. And this one we are making a treatment so we can plant again. We block everything because this monster loves to get in. So as soon as better weather, I will remove what is not. Oh, is this onion? Oh, we have onions. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are onions. I think they are. Okay, we'll have to maybe pull one just to know, or if it's too deep. But I believe this is a green onion. Nice. We will protect from this monster. And nothing coming back from the last year, so we're good on that. I need to do a lot of cleaning here. Yeah. So this will go again the tomatoes, and again I will put the sweetie here, or maybe I will switch and put the sweetie here and the big ones there, so I can have, or put the 3 together and then have this for the other veggies. Do some cleaning also on this one. Look at the flowers. It's blooming there. Oh, this is my Italian plum. So pretty. This flower means a lot. So cute. Good morning, beautiful day outside, and it's time that I go and do some cleaning. And here I have my plan done for today. I have to take care of all these. These ones are huge, so needs care. I am going to put my shoes. And yes, those are my old garden shoes, so I don't care if they get muddy, and if it's wet or something I put my garden boots, but for now this. So let's get ready for some action. It's not looking perfect, but something. My second time doing this. Okay, we will cut these ones. They're beautiful, but they are coming way too far, so let's trim them. Okay, I cannot trim them, and now I will be able to go to see the ferns is growing there. Okay, a little more. Now I finished using the moss out, and then you can see it has black spots. It's because it's killing all the moss. So in 1 week I will just put a little herb on my grass and overseed a little.